So today, not everyone saw rain, especially if you were at the lower shore points south, but some others, especially in Sussex County today and towards Ocean City, not so lucky. And right now we still have some showers, downpours and thunderstorms in progress. In fact, there's enough rain for a couple of hours to fall that prompted a flash flood warning for the Indian River Bay area. In effect until 8:15 p.m. So around Ocean View, Long Neck and Dewey Beach points south. This is where the flash flood warning is in effect. So during this time, just watch out for some high water out there and avoid flooded roadways. And the radar estimated rainfall totals from the past 6 hours show that, especially just north of Ocean View, but around again the Indian Bay River area, we've seen rainfall totals as much as 2 to 4 inches of rain. So that's a lot of rain in just a span of about 3 to 4 hours. So again, just watch some high water over there. Luckily, looks like some of that activity started to dwindle over there. But notice this, I've lowered the radar beam height a little bit just to show this feature. This is an outflow boundary, cold air basically exhausting from the thunderstorms and creating its own little mini cold front, shall we say. And this is sparking some additional thunderstorms and downpours right now. So right now, the rain is coming in buckets just south of Seaford and Waterview Acres with a bit of lightning and just towards the west of Sycamore. And then further west, there's even some rain coming down in buckets in Lakewood and just south of Hawkeye, basically around Route 15 in Dorchester County. So these thunderstorms and downpours will be in place through the rest of the evening. And the difference from yesterday is that this frontal boundary is further south. So we have a better trigger mechanism to spark these showers and thunderstorms north of this front. Less humid air, but we're in the warm, muggy and humid side of that front. So we've got the blue sky in Salisbury where there hasn't been rain, but we definitely see some more clouds looking off to the north on the city of Salisbury sky. Camber Rehoboth Beach was one of those places that saw the rain, so we have some wet pavement out there and more cloud cover than what we are seeing in Salisbury, where the rain has been falling. We've dropped down into the 70s like in Georgetown, but that outflow boundary from the cool air exhaust from the thunderstorms has dropped areas like Salisbury from the lower 90s to around 84 degrees. The weather watchers are calling in 88 with Bob and Diana and Smyrna, 85 degrees with Connie and Greenwood, 76 degrees with Chucky and Lewis, 81 degrees with Joe and Bishopville, I should say, with 22 hundredths of an inch of rain, and 85 degrees with Curtis, Marion, Ocean Pines. So there could be an isolated severe thunderstorm tomorrow with the storms that develop tomorrow afternoon, but I think a greater potential for maybe some strong storms will come by Tuesday. We've got a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather across much of the peninsula, with potentially a more organized band of showers and thunderstorms with the approach of a cold front. So especially after midnight, I think the threat for showers and storms will diminish. We'll start the day tomorrow on a dry note with pop-up thunderstorms during the afternoon. And again, just like today, some of these storms, while isolated in nature, could contain some heavy rain and dangerous lightning. So again, beachgoers, just be aware of that for tomorrow. Then going into Tuesday, I think most of the day is mostly sunny, and the trends have been to kind of slow down the progression of these showers and thunderstorms, likely after 6 p.m. That would limit the severe weather potential because we lose daytime heating from that, but still something to keep in mind. Either way, though, the humidity looks to drop by the end of the week, so certainly some good news over there. So a 73 to 78 for tonight with lingering storms early in the overnight with the marine forecast looking good. Winds at around 5 to 15 knots. The chance for isolated thunderstorms tomorrow. Highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s, I should say. 86 on Wednesday, and then the end of the week looking good. Lots of sunshine with a bit of lower humidity.